Fire in the rain, Anthem for the times. Flood they wash the village clean, heat they burn where green don't been. Smoke they rise from Gaza's sky. Children ask why people die. Storm they blow for island shore. Earth they shake, still we want more. Truth they hide behind the screen, but hearts still know what's in it mean. Spirit they cry, land they bleed. Time don't reach to plant new seed. No more wait, no more fear. Make we rise, make we hear. Fire in the rain, hope in the pain. Truth go shine, no be in vain. One voice, one fight, one sacred name. This world now we own, make we heal 'em again. Price they rise, food they low. People walk out nowhere to go. Border tight, heart they cold, but love still strong, bold and old. Oil they spill, forests they fall. Justice they whisper, no they call. But we go drum, we go sing till peace go fly with eagle wing. Sing for Congo, cry for Sudan, pray for Haiti. Hold each hand from Lagos Street to Kingston Yard. We go shine even when hard. Fire in the rain, hope in the pain. Truth go shine, no be in vain. One voice, one fight, one sacred name. This world now we own, make we heal 'em again. No silence fit drown this song. We go sing 'em loud, we go sing 'em long. One truth, one flame, one dawn. Fire in the rain, hope in the pain. Truth go shine, no be in vain. One voice, one fight, one sacred name. This world now we own, make we heal 'em again.